Hey there everyone, if you are looking to configure ChatGPT and Apple Intelligence and you do not find that option in your iPad, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. So recently I also came across this problem when I do not see any ChatGPT extension option after I updated my Macintosh and tablet. And in this video I'm gonna focus only on iPad, and here you can see all across you will not find option that we used to see. So how we can bring back that option? So the catch here is right now it is only available for certain region. So what we need to do here is we need to go on the top and then you need to click on language, and then instead of, let's say here I have selected English India, I need to select English US. And from voice also you need to go with American voice.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine.
And then select voice 1 or voice 2, it's totally up to you. And then let me exit from it, and now let's open it again and let's click here on Apple Intelligence, and now you should be able to see this extension option that says ChatGPT. Now let's click on it, and then let's click on setup. Now we need to click on next, then we need to enable ChatGPT, and then here you do have two options, which is either enabling ChatGPT or enabling with an account. So let's say you are using a Plus or Pro account, then in that case I would say it is more helpful to go with an account. So I'm gonna go here with an account, and then I'm gonna say sign in and enable ChatGPT. Now here I'm going to use my ChatGPT account. And there we go. So here you can see it is not offering me for any upgrade because I already have ChatGPT Plus subscription, and now we are good to go. And here seems the official ChatGPT app is also not updated. So let me hit update here, and then let's try it. Okay, so seems like now both the applications are updated. Let's give it a try, where I'm gonna ask Siri something, and then I'm gonna ask Siri to ask it from ChatGPT. So this work like this: hey Siri. And seems like I can't do two things together, like recording my iPad screen and calling Siri. So therefore let me actually record this through my phone screen. And now let me call, hey Siri, can you ask ChatGPT how much is New York far away from San Francisco? Now you can see here it says working with ChatGPT. Okay, so this was from ChatGPT. I mean, of course this kind of answer can be also responded by Siri, but let me ask even more tougher questions. Hey Siri, can you ask ChatGPT right now which cricket team is the best in the whole world? Maybe you can rank top 3. And there we go. So here you can see answer from ChatGPT. So in this way guys, you can correctly configure, enable and even sync your ChatGPT account in iPad. Hope this guide will help you in successfully setting up ChatGPT with Apple Intelligence. Be sure to subscribe to iPad Essentials, where our mission is to elevate your iPad experience with these kind of tutorial. And I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.